Okay, go ahead.
So actually your therapy is based on Ayurveda, and it is known as Ayurvedic Marma Chikitsa. That means it is touch therapy. By touching we come to know where the blockage is in your veins, and we remove the blockage from the veins. We know the center point, just like remote control. We are having the control on your foot and your palm. So that way we know the main point here. So we lose that point. When the blockage are removed, you feel better, and your diseases starts reducing slowly and slowly. But it takes time. Very suddenly we can't, immediately we can't give you the more relief. But you will get, at first stage you will get at least 10 to 20% relief instantly. Then after every sitting you get more and more relief, and that is how we can cure all the diseases. Actually we are taken the cause of pain only, because most of the people are very much, they are having very much pain in their body, and that pain, when one person is having a pain, he can't do any other work. His concentration is mainly on the pain. So we have taken one pain part of the disease, but we can cure all the diseases also. Even the heart disease, even the lungs disease, even the migraine, spondylitis, slip disc, sciatica, varicose vein, frozen shoulder, and other these things. This tennis elbow. Tennis elbow can also be treated by us. Knees get jammed, your ankle, your foot, for all part of your body, abdomen, stomach, back pain, and sometimes in kidney also our treatment is very effective. Sometimes in livers also our treatment is effective. If a person is suggested by a doctor, to have a bypass surgery for his heart disease, if the person takes my treatment for at least 2 to 3 months, after 3 months he can consult the same doctor. He will say that you are totally alright, you don't need any bypass surgery for your heart.
How many minutes a day do you work on someone like that?
For one person we give the treatment of 15 to 20 minutes per person.
Every day?
Every day.
Okay.
Every one treatment lasts for 15 to 20 minutes. If a person wants the result very fast, then he can take 2 treatments in a day or 4 treatments in a day. Maximum 4 treatments we can give to one person in one day. So that is how after every consequent treatment of sitting, he gets more and more relief, and one time will come, then you will see that he is totally free from all the diseases. We find the root cause of the disease, from where the disease crops up, where it is generated in our body, because all the diseases comes from inside only, not from outside. So inside, what system is failed, what a system we have to repair, so that we check first. We diagnose through our hands only. It is our touch therapy. By touching each and every nerve, we come to know we can diagnose it, and we come to know the conclusion that what is wrong in your body, and from where the disease started. So from there we start treatment one by one, clearing one organ, then another organ, then third organ. Slowly, slowly the patient gets the improvement after every treatment. So once he gets the improvement, he has got the faith in our treatment. On the very first sight, nobody is going to have faith in our treatment, because it is a conventional thing. It is not taught anywhere in the world. We are having it from the ancestors, from our forefathers. So, and for the last 30 years I am doing this type.
Let's go in for a close-up and watch him for a few minutes. What point is that?
That is for this here.
We feel she screams.
She makes a document.
Now this always feels good to me. This part.
When it comes to the tip of the tongue, doesn't feel good anymore.
No.
Right there, that feels so good.
Sweden. 2007, I was in Aurangabad in India, and I meet Dr. Sharma. Fortunately, I haven't no much time, only 3-4 days, but something happens when he treats me. So I decided to go back to India and found Dr. Sharma, and I have been here nearly 3 weeks now, and my pain is gone, and I don't have to eat the medicine the doctor from Sweden give me. I eat lots of painkiller, codeine and morphine, and it's not good. But now the dreams come true. It's a new life.
How often have you been treated while you're here?
2 times a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. About 20 minutes, 30 minutes each.
And how long were you on painkillers in Sweden?
Oh, over 12 years.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's hope it holds for you.
Yeah, me too.
Good luck.